Question 8 we've got is about transformations. First thing we need to do is draw triangle B. This occurs after we do a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise around the origin, followed by a translation of -5, -1. Alright, so let's start with the 90-degree clockwise around the origin. Remember clockwise, the way the clock goes is going to be that way. Okay, so it's A that we're moving. So it starts off like that to the corner, so rotating 90 degrees, goes like that. Obviously you can use tracing paper to help you. So then draw the shape in. It's going to look like that. Don't label it because we're not finished yet, just draw it in for part of your working out. And then a translation of -5, -1. Well, the top number is horizontal and it's in the minus direction, so it's going to go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then -1 means down 1, so down to there. So then shape ends up in there. And label that with a B because that's the one that they want to mark. Okay, triangle C is an enlargement of triangle A. Describe the enlargement fully. Okay, two things you need to describe an enlargement. You need to have a scale factor and you need to have a center of enlargement. To get the center of enlargement first, we're going to join up the matching corners of the shapes because then they will go through there. And you need to use a ruler to do this so you get nice straight lines. It's probably easier on paper than it is on the computer. Alright, so match up the corner there, match up the corners there. And just to check, match up the corners there. And if you've drawn that nice and accurately, they should all go through the same point, which is this point here. So center of enlargement equals, and I've lost it, it is -1, 2. And so then the only other thing you need is the scale factor, which is how many times bigger it's got. Okay, you can see for this one that it's gotten twice as big because if we compare the sides, this side here is 6, which is twice as big as it was originally because that was 3. Because it's done this thing where it's gone through the centre of enlargement and out the other side, it's also a minus scale factor, so my scale factor for this one is -2.